Shruti. I am a student in BBB CET Hubli and I am an engineering student. My project was best out of waste. Not exactly that I made something good with the waste paper like that, but I am an engineering student and I saw that I only waste lot of papers every year and I sell it to some people and I'll get some 10 rupees. But what I thought was if I sell a lot of papers, I'll get more money and I can help some others with that money. So thinking of that, I thought of doing one project, and that time I heard about LEAD. I came to LEAD and I asked Ajay sir about that. He said, okay, it's a nice plan, you can do that. And I went there, I applied for the project, and I want when I was starting, it was difficult for me because my English communication was totally bad. Although I was in an English medium school, I never used to talk in English. But here I need to go to HODs, I need to talk with them, interact with them. That was a tough job for me. I made a team and I went there. I asked everybody, and good thing is that I got very good response for that. I got lot of papers. I mean, totally I collected 121 kgs of paper, waste papers from college and as well as from our hostel. Also, I went to Jabin, that college principal. I talked with him, and he also agreed to give the papers. And I made a team. And after that, I was thinking what to do with that money. At the same time, there was a co-leader called Megha. She was doing some project, like she wanted to help the poor children. So I thought I will collaborate my project with her. I said I will donate you the money, so you give it to them. We both joined together, and that time carrying that load of papers was it is too hard because 121 kgs, it was not in the same place. We need to go collect from everywhere. So we took an auto, and that auto person also, you can just imagine, we have to take that much. He will demand more. That was also a problem, but we collected. Somehow we went there. We went and sold that, and we got some 900 rupees from that day. And with my co-leader Megha, I went to some JBM traders and I told, I'm thinking to do this, can you help me something more? And good thing is that he donated 150 books for me. You can give it to them. So I took that book and also money of this, and I gave that to Megha. We took some stationaries and all. There is a boys hostel in Unkal Cross, the poor boys hostel. Student group from first standard to 10th standard. Those are the students who are either poor or they don't have parents. Such kind of students, they don't know what outer world is. They just know what they means. They don't know. They are like a frog in a well. We went there, we talked with the hostel warden. They said okay, you can take them like that, and we took them in the DF for Children's Day, and we showed them all the college that here it will be like this. When you come out, you are 10th standard now, you should do this. We gave some knowledge about that, and after that we also had some activities like games, greeting making, etc. The students were very happy. In fact, I'm happy to say that they call us even now. They're like, come to hostel D, talk with us. They have become very close only because of one day. And after that, I got 150 books. Now from that, I gave some books to them, but some were left. By that time, one government school lady, he was conducting English tuitions for poor children. She wanted some books, so I gave her some 20 four-line books from that books only. And even after that, some books were left. After that, in SDM, they were making notepads to give to poor people. There also, I gave all my books to make the notepads. So it was good too. And from boys hostel also, there were some 19 students who were very happy that they were also benefited. It was totally a nice experience that we did something. Even my co-leader Megha, she helped me a lot in doing this. We both together did. And Ajay sir also helped a lot. They encouraged us. It was the first project. I was very afraid that whether I can do it or not because I never mingled with people. But after that, it was good. People were also benefited and even I was benefited.